This equipment is very, very important in that prior to its acquisition, we had ones that had a limit, like the atomic absorption spectrophotometer. So it will not really separate and go to a very minute level of separating substances that could be in a sample. So it limited our staff a lot. So we had to spend together with them a lot of money keeping them to ship those samples, like even outside Kenya. And that usually now ends up expending a lot of time. The researchers will not get the results quickly, perhaps if they have to make now inferences and conclusions and apply to solve a problem. Postgraduate students also who are studying, it will also delay them in terms of finishing to graduate because they have to wait for those results. There is also uncertainty in terms of who will handle that data, what will they do with it, post the generation of those results in their lab and things like that. So privacy issue, confidentiality issue was at stake. So now with the machine being with us, we have removed all those steps, intervening steps. We are just self-contained here in the country.
Of recent, there has been what we call emerging pollutants. By the definition of emerging pollutants, these are certain elements which cannot be managed to be removed by the treatment of the waste. So some of them are too toxic. Since the university wants to be strong on issues of environment and renewable energy, there is a need to detect them. After detecting them, we can come up a low way of removing these emerging pollutants from water. Then now water can be used. And what we are going to do at the university, we come up with a prototype. And a prototype is something you make in a small scale in terms of steps. Then we invite those people in the industry to come and see if they can implement it.
We are determining the inorganic component in wastewater. The samples were sampled from Ruai, Nairobi Water and Sewerage Carbon. We are determining the levels of heavy metals and also doing the chemical speciation. Yeah, definitely finding we are getting some of the chemical species like arsenic is there, like lead is there. We have already done the first and the second round of the samples. Yeah, we are still on because the project is supposed to take 24 months.
Apart from that, there is a lot of waste everywhere. And this waste, we cannot convert it directly to useful unless we know what is there. And if there is something which can interfere with the human being or living being, it has to be removed. And after that, some of them can be much better in making biofertilizer.
So our staff are now able to be very efficient. Our postgraduate students are efficient in terms of processing their samples, get results, write their thesis, graduate, go out there and start looking for jobs, join organizations in the industry, and start working.
Community will be trained on the machines, and we need the community, and the community will be giving us information.
Now it is available for sharing. We have published it on our website. Just the way any other lab you go to, you pay some fee, like per sample or a bench fee, so it's available on such terms. So without the government standing with us, it will not have been possible. So we appreciate it, and we hope our research will be able to embrace them, make an impact, and so that they can continue coming in. We partner together